Sustainable Development Goals. The United Nations General Assembly adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development in 2015 with global goals. The 193 members of GA adopted the framework Transforming Our World, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development with the 17 goals and 169 targets. These goals were aimed to wipe out poverty, fight inequality, and tackle climate change in the next 15 years. This agenda is a plan of action for people, the planet, and prosperity. It also intends to strengthen universal peace and larger freedom. They seek to realize the human rights of all and to achieve gender equality and the empowerment of all women. The Division for Sustainable Development Goals in the United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs UNDESA acts as the Secretariat for the SDGs. Important points. Those 17 goals are: 1. Take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. 2. End poverty in all its forms everywhere. 3. Reduce inequalities within and among countries. 4. Achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. 5. Zero hunger. 6. Good health and well-being. 7. Quality education. 8. Clean water and sanitation. 9. Affordable and clean energy. 10. Decent work and economic growth. 11. Industry, innovation and infrastructure. 12. Sustainable cities and communities. 13. Responsible consumption and production. 14. Life below water. 15. Life on land. 16. Peace, justice and strong institutions. 17. Partnership for the goals. Transforming Our World, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development was adopted at the United Nations Summit in New York from 25 to 27th September 2015. The agenda is a broad and universal policy agenda with 17 Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) with 169 associated targets that are integrated and indivisible. Building on the Millennium Development Goals (MDGs), the 2030 Agenda seeks to guide the member states to transform their approach to achieve inclusive, people-centered and sustainable development with no one left behind. They are integrated and indivisible and balanced in 3 dimensions of sustainable development: the economic, social and environmental, the interlinkages and integrated nature of the SDGs of crucial importance in ensuring that the purpose of the new agenda is realized. If we realize our ambitions across the full extent of the agenda, the lives of all will be profoundly improved and our world will be transformed for the better.